In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a company timeline section to your GoDaddy website. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account and opening your website dashboard. From there, go to Websites plus Marketing and choose the website you want to edit. Once you are in the correct site, click Edit Website or Edit Site to open the GoDaddy Website Builder. After the editor opens, go to the page where you want your company timeline to appear. Scroll down until you reach the exact location where you want to place the new section. When you find the right spot, click the Add Section button that appears between the existing sections on the page. Next, look through the available section categories. In many cases, you will find timeline-style layouts under About, Content, or a similar category. Open the category that best matches what you need, then browse the available designs until you find a timeline layout that fits your website style. Once you have selected the layout you want, click Add to insert it onto the page. The new section will appear directly in your editor so you can begin customizing it right away. Now replace the default heading and text with your own company information. Add your milestones, key dates, and short descriptions for each event. Make sure your entries are arranged in chronological order so visitors can follow the history of your business clearly and easily. If the timeline layout includes images, you can also replace the default visuals with your own photos, graphics, or brand-related images. Choose images that match the milestones you are highlighting and keep the overall design consistent with the rest of your website. After you finish editing the content, review the entire timeline section carefully in the editor. Check that the dates, descriptions, and images are accurate. Also, make sure the layout looks balanced and easy to read. When everything looks good, click Preview to see how the company timeline will appear on your live website. This is a good time to confirm that the section displays properly and that the order of events makes sense from top to bottom. If you are satisfied with the result, click Publish to make the timeline live on your website. Your visitors will then be able to view your company story directly on the page. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.